International criticism of Israel over the war in Gaza. Cloud of crisis are looming over the Israeli defense industry. Close allies of Israel are ending defense agreement with it. In this context, Spain has cancelled yet another arms deal with Israel's Rafale advanced defense system. According to Israeli India report, after this cancellation, the value of contract suspended with Israeli companies in recent months has reached nearly $654 million. In addition, a freeze on new multi-billion-dollar deals has put long-term export at risk. Officials in Israeli defense industry fear that other countries may also cancel agreement in an attempt to pressure Israel to end the war in Gaza. Spain Defense Ministry announced last week that it had cancelled a planned purchase of dozens of Lightning 5 targeting pods from Rafale. These pods guide aerial bombs from a distance of up to 100 kilometers. The deal was valued at over $218 million. In addition, another $663 million deal for the Pulse rocket system between Israeli Elbit system and two Spanish firm was also cancelled. Elbit system share in that contract was about $150 million. Earlier this year, Spain had already cancelled a multi-million-dollar ammunition order with a subsidy of Elbit. Spanish Prime Minister Pedro Sanchez has taken a tough stance against Israel over the Gaza war in recent weeks. Spain has imposed a ban on arms. As a result, supply ships linked to Israel have been barred from entering a Spanish port. Spain has also blocked the export of raw material, forcing Israeli firms to seek alternatives.